Hi, this is Larry Raskin, Senior Vice President of ACN, and I want to welcome you to this customer acquisition training. This is what it's all about in ACN. It's really all about acquiring customers to earn eventually a massive residual income. Residual income is the key to wealth. And it just so happens within ACN, we market the essential services that people use every single solitary day. And that's what's so exciting about what I'm going to cover with you is that, you're going to be very familiar with exactly what I show you. We're just going to just show you how it works through ACN. And this is not separated from IBO Team Builder because IBO Team Builder is just a way that we can acquire more customers through an automated system. But at the end of the day, it's really the ACN program that allows us to select these kinds of customers within the industry of telecom, within the industry of technology and energy, that really gives us the upper hand in the direct selling industry. It's nice that we can go to the population and talk to them about services that they're very familiar with. And we provide the same types of things in bundling, the same types of things in better value, the same types of things in, getting the customer comfortable in the buying process. It's the same thing. The only thing that we are doing is redirecting and rechanneling spending that people will do every single month anyway, but it's going through our online store. So let's begin and start talking about customer acquisition. We have a short-term goal of getting 15 points in the first 30 days because as we mentioned in all the other training modules, we talked about promotional bonuses, usually that take us to executive team trainer, that usually take us to executive team leader in the first 30 days, and there are bonuses that are attached to that. And you want to get at least to the executive team trainer level. Usually that is, for all the promotional bonuses, is about 30 points to release a promotional bonus. But we know that 15 minimum points will at least get you to the second earned position of executive team leader where money is available through our normal compensation plan. In order for you to be in a position to start releasing income from the company, you got to acquire 5 or more qualifying customer points, become a qualified team trainer, which means you get qualified team trainer status. And as I mentioned to you, executive team leader, personally, in order to do that, you got to acquire 15 or more personal customer points. The long-term goal is 50 plus customer points. And why is that? The reason for that is because it releases everything within our compensation plan. 7-level payout, because you have a 7-level through 7 levels of independent business owners, as well as 10% on all of the customers that you personally acquire and the billing that, of course, they can give us. And so you maximize your personal commissions and you maximize your overriding commissions. And it's really right in line with our strategic business plan, that plan of 20 and 3. What does that mean? It means 20 services coming out of every online store, and we open up 3 ACN online stores. And if every store just got 20 services and 3 online stores, and we taught that to our first and second levels, well then it would be within a year or 2 years a massive residual income that would be realized. So the customer sources that we have, of course yourself, you can't really market something that you're now going to offer with an ACN if you don't own it yourself. And these are not services that you're going to create new revenue. That means new extra expense that you're not currently using unless it makes sense. Unless that particular service is wanted and you believe it's going to help build your business, okay? And it's economically feasible for each independent business owner. So number 1 is yourself. Number 2 is prospects who do not become independent business owners. That means not part of our business. And third is referrals and everyone else. And you want to approach referrals and everyone else after you gain knowledge, experience, and competence. So we're going to focus on the first 2, to start. So let's talk about yourself. We highly recommend you become a customer of your own service. Creates the knowledge and belief for you to market the services. Obviously, it teaches you the customer sign up because it's part of the getting started module that we went over. You want to make sure that you are in a position to start getting paid. You want to get acclimated to the online ordering process. I'm going to show you how to do that through the online store, and it provides you all the necessary tools. You set a good example for not only how to take somebody else through it, but for your team as well, and helps you gain points toward customer compensation plan qualification. So here's the thing that I love most about it, and it's this portal right here is really, you can't market something you don't believe in. Take a look at the companies that we are a part of. Take a look at the companies that see a value in partnering up with ACN. So in the U.S., these are the brands that you see, and in Canada, you see the brands over there. Dish and Direct and all these recognized household name brand services. No different than Priceline.com or Amazon.com, where they have a bunch of household name brand providers that you can buy through those things. It's the same concept that we have here. Things you're going to need every day anyway from gigantic companies that you can count on. So let's talk about, preferred services. Preferred services, as you can see, are services that you're going to probably take anyway, but we're going to give you a higher point value for these services, okay? And as you can see here in the preferred service category, digital phone service, and everybody is moving toward digital today, a much more economical price on the digital phone service versus the old landline service. We have wireless, cell phones and wireless cards, air cards. We also have 4G high speed. These is the next new technologies that are out there right now. Local long distance, what we grew up on, TV, cable, as well as fiber, as well as satellite. We got it all. Home security and automation, and Digital Talk Express for business, okay? These are our preferred customers. And by the way, we also have energy now. So that's also part of the preferred services. So here's how we order. We order with our direct online store. When signing up for service through your direct online store, you have your business ID, as you can see, right in the top left-hand side. You can see where it says ACN, it's for marketing use only as an example, but you can see the business ID number. Anything that goes through this portal, folks, anything that goes through this portal, you're going to get tag credit for, which is very, very exciting, okay? So you'll automatically get credit. So let's talk about one of our most popular services, ACN Digital Phone Service. As I mentioned to you, it replaces the traditional local long distance service, unlimited calling to more than 60 countries around the world, and unlimited mobile as well as landline calling to 7 countries around the world. I mean, what I'm talking about is an unlimited direct call to cellular phones and landline phones in 7 of those 60 countries. For the remaining countries, it's just landline only. And we'll be adding more wireless as it moves forward for international country calling as well. Ability to keep your existing phone number, we call that portability. Traditional and enhanced features, including voicemail access wherever you have internet connection, okay? And this is a great service, priced at $24.99 a month, unlimited calling. A second line, folks, a second line for $9.99. You can use it as a fax line, okay? So here's how you would do it. You go into the portal, you go into the, you have the drop-down box for the state that you're in. I'm in Michigan. I would pull down the drop-down box and hit Michigan, and then what would show up on my screen would be all the services that are in the state of Michigan, okay? So we're going to talk about wireless. We're going to go into the wireless portal right now. As you can see how great looking these portals are, where there's no limit to the amount of money we've invested to represent you in the most professional manner possible. You're going to view the latest plans and product promotions. You can shop by carrier, all the major carriers, plans, and devices. And as you can see, the look that we have there, very user-friendly. Our Flash Wireless is ACN's own brand. And what's very exciting about this, it is literally, without question, one of the most incredible values worldwide. We actually market unlimited data, unlimited texting, and unlimited calling for a flat rate of $59.99 a month. As you can see, it's a hybrid between prepaid and postpaid. We're also going to be offering contracts, but in this situation right here, right now, it's no contracts, no credit checks, affordable monthly rate plans, and low international rate calling. We have a tremendous amount of features that are coming. We're going to continue to add a feature-rich product that will draw more people to this particular brand, and we get 100% commission on 100% of the dollar value of what your bill is, which is very, very exciting for you and I. What's also exciting is that this is not on Larry's cellular tower. This is on the Sprint network. So if you believe in Sprint, the major carrier, you certainly will believe in Flash Wireless because it goes on their network, okay? Well, the difference is that we're responsible for all of the billing and all of the customer service. Now, here's what I want to make sure you know. Our customer service is second to none. We know that every customer comes in the form of a relationship, whether it's your family or friends or business associates. The company understands that they would not have a job if, in fact, they didn't treat customers well. So it's very, very important to know that, okay? So you order online for ACN's online direct store through the wireless portal. Phone orders only. As you can see there, it's an additional carrier in the wireless online store in addition to the household name brand providers that we know of, okay? ACN Local Long Distance, this is the same type of service we grew up with. We just offer a better value than what the monopolies offer. They have a low, medium, and high-end bundle. We offer low, medium, and high-end bundles. That means local long distance bundles. And so very simple. You go into this, you order it online, okay? And you can see where we have comparisons for each particular market. In the Verizon market, we have a comparison. In the AT&T market, we have a comparison. In the Qwest market, we have a comparison, Bell South, and so forth. And you can see the prices that we have there. That's just as an example. These are not the exact prices, obviously, based upon the region that you're in and the current pricing that's available. You will see a savings versus what we market it for versus what the monopoly markets it for. We could not exist as a company if we didn't bring a better value than what you are currently getting through your monopoly. So you need to make that assumption. And even if I'm saving you just a little bit of money, I'm going to lean on that relationship because it's relationship marketing. It's very important that you understand that. And that is the reason why people will move. If they have a little bill and they say, well, it really doesn't matter, I really don't have a bill. Well, do you have a local long distance? If they say yes, bottom line is, well, then if it doesn't matter, I need a favor. I need you to be my customer. I'm working on getting in this promotion. It would really mean a lot to me. Would you do me a favor and give it a try? Okay? And with local and long distance, there is no contracts. With our other name brand providers, like in wireless, well, there is a contract. Whatever contract Sprint would have, whatever contract that AT&T would have, whatever contract Verizon would have or T-Mobile would have, we would have. We're just a broker agent for those larger companies, but the difference is we've negotiated residual on the back end of when the customer pays. Very, very exciting. Here's TV, Dish, Direct, AT&T, Uverse, Verizon, Fios. Guys, all I can tell you, it's just amazing that now we can make money on lazy people. People that would never be in our business, we can at least have them, be a customer of our telephone service or our cable service or satellite service. Why? Because we asked them to. That's very simple. And here's the way it works. Isn't it true that all new customers get the best values? Once again, they go into the portal, which is the satellite portal or television portal, and you see all the numbers here: DirecTV, Dish TV, AT&T, Uverse, Verizon, Fios, and all new customers get the best deal. And that just simply means at the end of the day, you're going to get a residual on the back end, and those bills are much higher when you bundle. Very, very exciting to get this kind of residual income. We also have high-speed internet no matter what carrier you have around the country, from AT&T to CenturyLink to Cox, Verizon, Time Warner Cable, Comcast, Clear 4G high speed. That is the next generation wireless high speed that's out there right now, spreading all over the country. There's a lot of stores out there. Certainly, it's well known. Look, we offer better values as new customers. Once again, it's all about the new customers and the negotiation through this very significant channel for each one of these companies that have a channel that they have tens of thousands of independent business owners marketing from day one their services. You better believe we're going to negotiate, and they're okay with negotiating a very attractive price to bring over new customers. So very, very exciting. This is what our high-speed portal is for that. And as you can see, all these particular numbers that we can call, and the people that you call, here's what's amazing in every portal that I've shown you so far and moving forward, is that when we call and there's someone that answers, and let's say it's our customer that's calling these numbers, right? We don't call that as reps. We call the prospects that we direct through our portal, right? This is how business is done today. People recommend stuff to us. We then see the value. We may call a number on the portal if we see the interest level that we may have in something that's recommended to us. Somebody answers the phone, right? In the product or service that somebody recommends to us. We call a number if we want more information, and they're trying to get us to help us make a decision to move forward in buying it. Well, the same thing that we have through our online portal. We have, as an independent business owner, a whole staff of people standing by, helping your prospects you direct to your online store to help them make a decision. And when they do, you or someone in your organization that had a prospect go into their store and then purchase, you have just increased your commission on a residual level, because that online help and that personnel that is helping your people make a decision, they just help them move forward and become a customer, which means it's their customer, but it's also your customer. Very, very exciting how this works. We have home security and automation through ADT Home Security. We have Vivint Home Automation, and we also have LifeShield for renters. So now we have a way to secure on the renting side, the leasing side, as well as home automation video, for babysitters. I mean, it's unfortunate. It's a crazy world out there. We've seen some crazy stuff in terms of reporting on people that watch our children and the unfortunate circumstances, and we also have just, automation to, cameras on your front door, back door. So that's more of an elevated type of home security. And ADT is the largest in the world, a well-recognized brand. Once again, you go into these portals, you see what happens, a very beautiful portal. It's exactly how you would want to be represented professionally. You can see where each portal has for whether it be for renters and LifeShield or whether it be for homeowners, ADT. Once again, you go into these portals and you have a staff of people helping your prospect make a decision so they can get a customer and you can increase your residual income. And for Vivint, same thing. You can go through the online store, you dial that numbers. Phone orders are preferred. And, remember, when these things are telling you what you should do what the company and the online store is directing you to do, because we want to make sure the ordering is streamlined. We have tested all this stuff. We're not a perfect company, of course, but we know that you're going to have a great user experience going through our online store and the ordering process, okay? Here's our premium technical support, which is remote technical support for your computer. What's exciting is that we have a free scan or PC analysis. It's support when you need it. And then we have plans for those that want to take advantage of it, starting at $16.99. We also have residential as well as business. Same thing with our home security, same thing with our energy that I'm going to be talking about in just a second. But it's very simple, online orders only, And as you can see, it's 24/7, 365. Why is that? Because people are on their computer all the time, around the clock. And you're going to get the kind of support you need, okay? And it's online orders only. Here's another application that goes onto a smartphone. It's an icon that shows up on your smartphone, and this is really, really cool, folks. You can eliminate a lot of the hassles of being charged a lot of money for $14.99. For $14.99, you have unlimited calling in US and Canada for $14.99. And so you hit the icon, it opens up to a dial pad, you dial the number, it goes from the cellular tower to ACN's digital network. That's the reason why we can provide such a low cost on calling. We also have an international plan for $19.99 that allows you to call to 60 countries around the world, of which 10 include mobile. 60 countries are just landline from your cell phone. And all of you that use your cell phone, if you're going to call cell phones internationally, how expensive that is. And once again, a beautiful look, describes it perfectly. All the questions can be answered, and an online staff of people to answer any questions or frequently asked questions, FAQs on every product portal that we have, okay? Here's the thing that I was waiting 19 years for, energy. 19 years. When they told me one day, Larry, you're going to be able to make money when people turn on a light, heat a home, cook their food, I just got blown away. Literally blown away from it. So Planet Energy is our partner in New York, Pennsylvania, and Maryland, and Zoom Energy is the company that ACN, it's ACN's company, Zoom Energy, and this is something what's so exciting about this is that we're going to be moving into, we're already in 11 states, we're going to be in all 50 states. Think of it this way, we have 16 states that have deregulated. Right now we're in 11, right, of the 16. And we'll be in all 16 when we set it up properly. We're not going to set it up before, start it before we're ready. But think of this: we have 34 states to go. Here's a question: are you early or late? Early or late? There were so many people that became financially independent 10 years after long distance started, and then ACN started as a company in January of 1993. I want you to understand, 10 years after the deregulation of long distance, and then we start with 200 companies already doing it, and we became an incredible force in the 90s in long distance 10 years after it started. What could we do the first day energy begins, or the first 2 years, or the first year energy begins in a certain state? It is unbelievable, miraculous, the kinds of wealth that will be created through energy. And what we're excited about is, as you know, what brought you here, if you came through the online sales funnel process, what Carlos Slim, what Warren Buffett and Bill Gates says, the leaders of technology, telecom, and energy, they all simply said the energy industry will create more wealth than in the last 50 years combined of anything that's come out. So we're very, very excited about that. So here's the portal, very user-friendly. If you're in a state that offers Planet Energy, New York, Pennsylvania, and Maryland, you go into the Planet Energy portal. If not, everything else is Zoom Energy, okay? Online orders only. And we are very aggressive in the energy marketplace. We basically take a look at the rate that people are having on the commercial side. And by the way, an unlimited size in commercial. We can go after gigantic skyscrapers. We can go after office buildings of any size. We also have a small business rates that are published online. But for the larger things commercially, for Zoom and Planet Energy, we're going to get bids. So we're going to ask them, to do a proposal. Well, I'd like to put you in a better position. We lean on the relationship. You don't cold call these people. Then you're just like everybody else. We have no upper hand. But if you know if you can get in the door and the decision maker, you're going to see what they're paying. You're going to submit that to Zoom Energy or Planet Energy. We'll come back with a proposal. The thing that I love about it is that if we can't put them in a better position, then there is no proposal to give them. And we simply say to the business owner, look, when your contract ends, we're very confident that we can put you in a better position, but you need to keep what you have right now, and I'll come back to you 60 days prior, and we'll see what we can do and go to the market and see what we can bid you on a 1 year, 2 year, or 3 year contract. And that's exciting because when you get a big account like we've already got, and I have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of energy accounts, and you'll see that in the testimonial side of the IBO back office, where all these testimonies that are coming in for energy right now and the kinds of residual incomes that are being made because of it. We're very, very exciting what this means to you by taking advantage of what we have, okay, in terms of, we're really not selling here. We're just shopping rates. And if we can put, you in a better position rate-wise, and we're going to lean on that relationship, right? And we're basically going to ask for that business, okay? And when the residential, we're very competitive, which is very, very exciting, okay? And so for additional back office information, when you become part of ACN, you have an unlimited amount of webinars and a limited amount of training on the back end. You can see where it's circled on the right, on the portal to the right, you see where it's circled where it says products. You go, that's the US page. Or the Canadian page, and then you hit products at the top. It opens to the product portal, and then basically what you do, you just navigate to exactly where the webinars are, what you want to learn more about. Every particular portal that I just covered with you just now has webinars and all of the market materials that support each particular product. We have all the marketing materials already printed in PDFs and beautiful colors, and you can just download them and print them and represent your company professionally. Very, very exciting. Second way we get customers is through people that do not become IBOs, okay? So, you're going to start building your team by inviting contacts to view the ACN presentations available to you, but people who do not become an IBO, right? We want to get them as customers. Your goal should be to earn ETT and ETL as soon as possible so you can start earning team customer acquisition bonuses. And that is the reason why we want to get customers, because it's going to help us be elevated through the compensation plan. And after viewing the presentation, right, they choose not to, you're going to ask them to be a customer of all the services, if not just one service, because it's going to help you get promoted. Just imagine how many customers you can acquire over time with Source 2. Just by talking to people about the opportunity, they say no to the opportunity, you're going to at least tell them, well, obviously it makes sense in what we're doing. You see the benefit of what we're doing. Would you do me a favor, at least be a customer of all the services that you can, if not just one, because as you know, and as I've shared with you, I'm trying to earn a promotion. We'll go over that in just a second. But the key to getting customers is enthusiasm, your sense of urgency, rely on the relationship, and use the favor approach. Very important. It's, I need a favor, I need your help, I want you to try something out, okay? So people will become your customer quicker to support you than if you're trying to sell them on the services. We're not going to ask somebody to pay more. I don't expect to have your business, nor would I even want to have it if I wasn't putting you in a better position. And that's the most important thing for you to recognize. This is not about, getting people to be surprised or have a sticker shock when they get their bill and it's more than it's ever been. We don't do any of that. We cannot grow double digits every year because we put people in a worse position. We have millions of customers, millions and millions of satisfied customers, and that's not going to change because we actually do bring value. The benefit is we use the relationship in having them come to us because of that relationship. So, and referrals and everybody else. And source number 3, you're going to do that, after you gain knowledge, experience, and confidence, you're going to follow the system. Don't get distracted, folks. There's a lot of distractions out there. Stay focused. Know your role and what you're doing in the beginning. You want to get, your first earned positions done. You want to get the promotional bonus out of the way. Follow the system, okay? Your priority is to become ETT and ETL first. Always ask for referrals from all your customers. Look, if somebody's really excited about the energy rate that we just provided them, hey, do you think that your son or your daughter, and could you talk to your neighbor? I'm really working on this promotion. If you just get me one more customer, I could get promoted. It would mean the world to me. Okay? And it's very simple to do. And the reason why people get referrals or don't get referrals is because they ask. Can you believe that the reason why referrals are gotten and the referrals are received is simply because you ask for them? Not because it's difficult, it's because you just don't go the extra mile. And I like to say that extra 10% effort will give you 90% of all the results. If you start teaching referrals from the very beginning, and that value of asking for referrals is compounded throughout your organization, can you imagine how many more thousands of customers that will mean to you in the course of the year if every single person that would gladly take a service, you just asked them for a referral and they gave you just one more customer that you would normally get if you didn't ask? Wow. That thought alone should get you really motivated to increase your residual income, okay? It's a balanced compensation plan. Remember, we talked about in the compensation plan, these customer acquisition bonuses, but here's what I want to let you know. And I say this, baby, there ain't nothing like residual income. And when that sucker starts kicking in gear, it will blow away your customer acquisition bonuses. And so all I can tell you, folks, residual income is the key to wealth. Art Napolitano and I are not playing around. This is what it's all about. If you follow the system, if you follow our directions, if you plug into the IBO Team Builder system, you will absolutely be blown away by your residual income within 1 or 2 years. That being said, we have a saying in our company: we don't sell, we just sort. Some will, some won't. So what? Someone's waiting. Next. Thank you for listening to this customer acquisition training. Catch us on another portal. If you want to hit this again, I can't recommend to you highly enough going through the back office of ACN, going through those webinars. Very, very important for you to do that, okay? And we'll be talking to you on another module. Thank you.